Good morning, students. We had learnt a story about the friendly dragon. It was such a beautiful story with beautiful pictures given. The dragon was so friendly with the people, with the children. See, children, even the animals are friendly, so that we take care of those animals. Here we learn the moral that we too take care of the animals, so that they also live happily with us. Now, next, moving on to take the correct answer we have. Let's do it. Number 1. At the beginning of the story, Ming is unhappy to see his reflection in water because. So, children, in the story I have told you in the beginning, Ming, the dinosaur, saw his reflection in the water pond. So, there he was very sad. So, let us see the answers. Students, here they have given 3 options. From these 3 options, you have to tick only one answer, which is the correct one. Let us see the options. A. He is not big and strong like other dragons. B. He is not blue in color like other dragons. C. He is not small like other dragons. So, children, which answer is the correct? What is the question? Why Ming is unhappy? So, let us see the correct answer. He is not big and strong like other dragons. Yes, this is the correct answer. B1. Blue in color. Was the dragon blue in color? No. So, that is wrong answer. He is not small like other dragons. Are the other dragons small? No. All the dragons were large and big. Only this Ming dragon was small. So, the correct answer is A. You tick it and you can write in your notebook. Number 2. Then Ming decides to, after looking at his reflection, then that dragon, what he decides? Let us see. He decides to take a bath. Does he decide to take a bath? No. Go away from home? Yes, he decides to go away from home because he thought that he is very small and tiny. Number C. Go to school. Does the dragons go to school? No. So, the correct answer is go away from home. Number 3. When Ming goes down to the village, the people run away from him because. So, children, do you remember when Ming goes to the village? People run away. Why they run away? Let us see the answers. A. People are afraid of him. Yes, correct. So, the people are afraid of dragon, the Ming dragon. B. He smells bad. Do we see the smell of animals? No, it is wrong answer. C. They do not like his face. Do they run away because of his face? No. Dragons have we know that how the dragon looks like. But they were afraid of him. So, the correct answer is people are afraid of him. Him means dragon. Number 4. In the end, Ming is the happiest dragon because at last the dragon became very happy. Why? Let us see. He has made friends. Everybody loves him. Yes, he was happy because he made friends and everybody loved him. B. He has eaten the people in the village. Did the dragon Ming ate the village in the story? Ate the village people in the story? No. Yes, dragons eat the people. But in this story, this dragon is a friendly dragon. He didn't eat people. So, this is wrong answer. C. He has go to school. He has to go to school. Does the dragon go to school in the village? No, wrong answer. The correct answer is he has made friends. Everybody loves him. So, children, look at the question. Tick the correct answer. Write the correct answer in your classwork with neat handwriting. There are 3 options, children. These are new thing for you. But as we go on studying, you will come to know. One more time, read with correct answer so that you will understand better. So, let us see. At the beginning of the story, Ming is unhappy to his reflection in the water because he is not big and strong like other dragons. Then Ming decides to go away from home. When Ming goes down to the village, the people run away from him because people are afraid of him. In the end, Ming is the happiest dragon because he has made friends. Everybody loves him. So, children, read it and understand it. We will meet on next class with new lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.